such incidents are happening. That is why I had said, where is the law and order situation today in the state of Goa? Where it has reached? Nobody can guarantee. In between, some incidents have happened, whether it is in Mhapsa, whether it is in Vasco, whether it is in, some days back, somebody was murdered, this was murdered. Well, lots of murders are taking. And we say that law and order is excellent. This is a clear signal. I have suggested yesterday that immediate action should be taken against the culprits.
Today CM have told कि our detection rate is very good.
I don't know. Making statement is one thing. You have to see the records. When we go in the assembly, when they ask for the records, then we will be able to know what is it.
Sir, even the old Goa, some structure is coming up. How you will comment on that?
But our people are already sitting there on the details.
And your views?
My views, I have not gone into the details of it. They have, our people in old Goa, they are aware. Probably they are aware. They have actually taken a press conference also. Once I get brief, then I will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.